Hello students, welcome to my channel Science No Problem. My name is Tish Kumar Sharma and I am teaching you science. So my dear students, like our previous videos, this video is also going to be very informative and very useful. So please watch the video till end and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel to support and motivate me so as to bring you far more useful and far more informative videos in future as well. So my dear students, without wasting any time, let's start our today's video. So my dear students, as you know very well that we have started a series of MCQs. So my dear student, this is our fifth video of this series and please watch the video till end. So our first question is that light traveling from rarer medium to a denser medium along the normal to the boundary is refracted towards the normal, is refracted away from the normal, goes along the boundary, is not refracted. So my dear students, always remember that, for example, this is line of separation between the two mediums, and suppose that this is air and suppose that this is water. So actually this is normal. This is normal to actually line of separation between two mediums. This is air, this is water. So what happens that when a light light ray goes along, actually what is the question? Light traveling from rarer medium to a denser medium along the normal. So suppose light is going along the normal. This is the actually incident ray. So my dear students, always remember that when incident ray goes along the normal, then it does not refract. It is not refracted. So always remember this. So B is here the correct option. So once again, when a ray of light actually goes along the normal to the actually line of separation between the two mediums, then it is not refracted. So please remember this. Now we have question number 2. A ray of light traveling in air goes into water. The angle of refraction will be, so my dear students, if you write here obliquely, then that is good word. Obliquely. So like this is our incident ray. So because it is entering into denser medium, that is water, so it will actually incline towards it will bend towards the normal, like this. So here question is actually in terms of angles. The angle of refraction will be, always remember that incident angle is formed between, angle of incidence is formed between a ray of incident ray and normal, and angle of refraction is formed between normal and refracted ray. This is refracted ray, and here you can see here clearly that angle of refraction is less than angle of incidence. So our B option is correct here. The angle of refraction is smaller than the angle of incidence. Now my dear students, we have question number 3. When a ray of light traveling in glass enters into water, it is traveling in glass and entering into water. Suppose that this is glass and this is water. Obliquely. Now what happens that glass is denser medium, always remember, and in relation to water actually. So glass is denser in relation to water. So here the incident ray is going from denser medium to rarer medium. So always remember that when light goes from denser medium to rarer medium, what happens? It bends away from the normal. It bends away from the normal. So our which option is correct? It is refracted away from the normal. Actually, this is B option. So this is correct. It is refracted away from the normal. Now, my dear students, we have question number 4. The speed of light in air is, my dear students, always remember that speed of light in air is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. Please remember this. So D is our correct option. Question number 5. The refractive indices of four substances P, Q, R and S are given 1.50, 1.36, 1.77 and 1.52. Respectively. The speed of light is maximum in. So my dear students, these are refractive indices. So speed of light will be maximum in that medium whose refractive index will be the least, minimum. So which is minimum value? That is 1.36. So when light will travel in this medium, then its speed will be maximum. So this is actually answer is Q. So B is your correct option. Question number 6. The refractive indices of four materials A, B, C and D are 1.33, 1.43, 1.71 and 1.52 respectively. When the light rays pass from air into these materials, they refract the maximum. Maximum refraction will take place in that medium whose refractive index will be the maximum. So maximum value is 1.71. So in actually C medium, maximum refraction will take place. So C is our correct option. Now my dear students, we have next question, question number 7. The refractive index of glass for light going from air to glass is 3/2. So refractive index of glass for light going from air to glass is equal to 3/2. The refractive index for light going from glass to air. Refractive index for light going from glass to air we have to find. So my dear students, there is actually a relationship. Refractive index of glass for light going from air to glass is equal to reciprocal of NGA. So this is formula. Please remember this. So this is actually refractive index for light going from air to glass is equal to 1 upon refractive index for light going from glass to air. So we have to just do the reciprocal of this. So reciprocal of this is actually 2/3. So 2/3 means if you cancel this, then you will get 2/3. So C is our correct option. So my dear student, I think you understood this. Now my dear students, our next question is, the speed of light in substance X is 1.25 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second, and that in air is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. The refractive index of this substance will be. So my dear students, there is a formula for finding the refractive index of a substance when speed of light in substance and speed of light in air is given. So what is that? Refractive index of substance is given by speed of light in air divided by speed of light in substance, given substance. Please remember this. So you can use this formula to find the refractive index of this substance, and by using this formula our value will come out to be 2.4. so first option will be the correct option. You can do its calculation yourself. Now our next question is the refractive indices of four substances P, Q, R and S are given, that is 1.77, 1.50, 2.42 and 1.31 respectively. When light traveling in air is incident on these substances at equal angles, the angle of refraction will be maximum in. My dear student, this is actually a tricky question. Angle of refraction will be maximum when bending will be least. This is very important. Angle of refraction will be maximum when bending of light, or we will say refraction will be least. And refraction will be least in that medium whose refractive index will be what? Least. Whose refractive index will be least. So in that medium bending will be least. So where is the refractive index least? This is 1.31. So which substance has refractive index 1.31? This is actually RS. So D is our correct option. So angle of refraction will be maximum when light will pass through this medium, when light will be incident on this medium. So, and now we have question number 10. The refractive index of water with respect to air is 4/3. The refractive index of air with respect to water will be reciprocal of this, that is 3/4. So you can find its value 3/4, that will come out to be 0.25. So now my dear students, we have question number 11. A small bulb is placed at the focal point of a converging lens. When the bulb is switched on, the lens produces. So my dear students, this is actually lens, converging lens. Please remember that convex lens is also called converging lens. Why? Because it converges light. So when bulb will be placed at F, so what happens that it will produce parallel beam of light. So after refraction, the light rays will become parallel to each other. So our C option is correct here. A parallel beam of light. The lens will produce parallel beam of light. Question number 12. Which of the following can produce a parallel beam of light when light from a bulb falls on it? My dear students, we have just studied that one is actually a convex lens. It also produces parallel beam of light. And in case of mirror, it is the concave mirror actually. So how? See here, this is concave mirror and this is F. So when bulb will be placed at F, then after reflection, rays of light will become parallel to each other. So which of the following will produce parallel beam of light? It is it is lens and concave mirror, convex lens and concave mirror. So which option is correct? Concave mirror as well as convex lens. So C option is correct. Now we have question number 13. A virtual erect magnified image of an object is to be obtained with a convex lens. For this purpose, the object should be placed. So my dear students, except one case, in all cases, in convex lens, we always get actually real image. But what is that one case where we get actually virtual image in convex lens? So this is our convex lens, and when this is optical center and this is F. So when object will be placed between F and O, so actually what we will get, we have to produce this backward so that these rays must meet, and here we get image. So this is actually a virtual image and erect and enlarged. So when this virtual image will be actually obtained when object will be placed between F and optical center. So B is correct option, F and optical center. Now we have question number 14. When an object is kept at any distance in front of a concave lens, the image formed is always. So my dear students, always remember that in concave lens, so irrespective of distance from the lens, the object is placed, image is always virtual, erect and diminished. So please remember this. So C option is correct. So please remember that object is placed in front of lens, concave lens at any distance. The image will always be virtual, erect and diminished. So my dear students, this is all for today. I hope that you understood the questions which we have done today. So these questions were actually very important. So please go in your exams well prepared with these questions. So this is all for today. So if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep watching our channel, keep learning and keep growing. Good luck.